This is day one of changing the entire world and making the biggest hustle of all time. And you guys may be thinking, what are you talking about? I don't see you doing anything. I don't see you doing anything. Well, behind the scenes, I have another YouTube channel called Davey Davis, essentially where I talk about the revolutionary side hustle of making Fortnite maps. I'm not kidding. It's really profitable, okay? And what I realized is that I have massive potential on my hands here. I am number one in the entire space. I own the entire market, and I'm about to be making the most money. Essentially, people are making millions of dollars making games, and I'm gonna make millions talking about it from gaining experience of making games myself in the first place. That is the plan. So with this channel, I'm gonna be documenting my growth, my mindset, my life advice, wisdom, whatever, to you guys, so you guys can skip the process, the lengthy process of sacrificing so much time into something that you don't even half believe in, you know? So we gotta find purpose with everything that we're doing. We do. You know, we really do. Life is seriously beautiful, guys. Look at that saying over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it says life is beautiful, and life truly is beautiful. It is. Life is extremely beautiful, I promise you. And this is what we're gonna do today, okay? How did I get to where I am in the first place? This is what I want to talk about, because how did I spot the trend? How did I come up with the idea to kind of pursue something that is brand new and there's no market for, and you're literally creating the market out of thin air? This is how, all right? This is how I did it. So I realized that I needed to do something with my life. I was making these motivational videos, but it's not that I wasn't getting anywhere. It's that I couldn't provide a solution or solve a problem in people's lives. So the impact surely was there, but it wasn't condensed, and it wasn't niche to where it would have a repulse, I guess, right? So people could, and repulse, I mean comments and people actually liking the videos and viewing it, right? Sure, there's so many people doing what I'm doing, but what separates you from you, right? And that's yourself. You separate yourself from the rest of the world. You do. No one else can be better than you. No one else will be better than you, because you are you, bro. You are you. No one can do it better than you, right? Awesome. I'm glad we're on the same page, okay? So I realized that there's always gonna be times, in your lives where you feel down and there's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do. And yes, guys, these videos will not be edited. Maybe they will be, I don't know. I'm just gonna talk to the camera and document my growth. That's what I'm gonna do on this channel. Self-vulnerable authenticity in hopes to motivate and inspire people. Just be yourself, like me. That's how I'm gonna change the world. So I want all of you guys to start seriously making Fortnite maps. I made around $20,000, 15, 20-ish. But with deals, it's in the 30 to 40 to 50. So I made a lot of money making games, and now it's time to teach it. It's time to pass down the knowledge and torch to you guys. So that is what I'm here to do. I'm here to make the biggest hustle of all time, and I'm not stopping. This is gonna be day one of documenting my growth to YouTube, to show you guys that you can really do whatever it takes. This is how I'm gonna get 1 million followers on this channel. With authenticity and documenting my growth, doing something that is gonna change the whole world. The goal is to have 100. I'm gonna be making millions of dollars a month very soon. I will. I'm gonna speak it into existence. 1 year from now, I'm gonna have what I want. I'm gonna have 1 million followers on this channel. I think if I post every day, I can get it, and I will. 1 million followers on this channel. $1 million net worth, and a nice sports car. And I've moved out and I have a nice apartment. That is so achievable within literally 30 days. I'm gonna lock in on this channel and everything that I'm doing. I am. And you're gonna be here with me. I'm gonna take you with me. We're gonna do it together, all right? It's you versus you, bro. No one else is gonna destroy your life except you. And I think you guys know that as well, because I realized today that I'm very, very I have a lot of self-belief, right? And unwavering self-belief, but I'm not I'm attracting what I want, right? But I'm not attracting the actions that I want to achieve what I want. So sure, we can just say, hey, I'm gonna have this, I'm gonna have that, but you have to bring it into your life. Life does not come at you. You create life, bro. You create the life that you want to live. It doesn't just happen. You have to create it. That's why people always say, no one is coming to save you, because quite frankly, no one's coming to save you. Nobody's coming to save you. You have to do it all yourselves. You know, no one is going to be here to write a book for you or write a verse for you, do whatever. No one's going to be there for you. You have to do it yourself. And I think you guys know that as well. So, hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm going to change the world today. Today. Right now. Forever. I love you all. 909, baby.